Okay, let's just be real for a second. If you're here, there's a good chance you felt that awful sinking feeling in your stomach after a big trading loss. I've been there. So we're going to talk about it, honestly, and figure out the right way to move forward from here. First things first, that knot in your stomach, that hesitation to even look at the charts again, let alone click a button, that feeling is 100% normal. You are not broken, you are not a failure, you're just human. Everyone who's ever done this has felt that exact same fear. And here's the crazy part. That fear, it's actually a good thing. No, really, it's a sign that you've learned something powerful from a painful experience. It means the blind gambling phase is over. It means you're finally ready to start thinking like a real trader. So let's build on that. Let's create your very first rule on this brand new path. And listen, this isn't a suggestion. This is a non-negotiable, absolute must-do to protect yourself from here on out. Here it is, simple as that. Starting this very second, you are not going to use a single cent of your real money. I mean it. Promise yourself right now, this is the most important step you can possibly take.
So how do you practice? You use a demo account. Pretty much every trading platform out there offers one. Think of it like a perfect flight simulator. The money is fake, but the market, the charts, the price movement, it's all 100% real. It lets you learn the ropes with absolutely zero risk.
All right, let's turn this into a super simple, totally manageable plan. We're going to take the fear out of the equation entirely. Here is your exact mission for the next 1 to 2 weeks.
No stress, no pressure.
Your new job is incredibly simple. For the next couple of weeks, you're only going to use that demo account. And your only goal? Just watch. Just observe. That's it. You're also going to pick just one thing to watch, one asset, so you can actually learn how it behaves. And crucially, you're going to completely ignore anyone trying to sell you trading signals. We'll get to why in just a minute. Now, a quick but really important heads up. You might see stuff about binary options. They look super simple, right? Like it's just a 50-50 guess, up or down. Trust me on this. For a beginner who's just been burned, they are one of the fastest ways to lose even more money. Just stay away for now. Let's talk about focus. Pick one thing, just one. It could be a currency pair like the euro versus the US dollar, or maybe Bitcoin. The point is to get to know its personality, how it moves, its rhythm. Jumping around between 10 different things is a guaranteed way to get confused and overwhelmed. Okay, now for the tough part. Let's talk about how you got here. Because that loss you took, it probably wasn't just bad luck. You need to understand that there's a whole system out there that was basically designed to make you lose. Let's get this crystal clear. There is no such thing as guaranteed daily profit in trading, period. Anyone, and I mean anyone on YouTube, on Telegram, anywhere, who promises you that is lying, straight up. The best traders on Wall Street have losing days. I want you to look at this number, 90%. This number is the key to understanding the game you were just in. That's right, 90%, maybe even more, of those signal sellers are complete scams. Just think about it with simple logic for a second. If their strategy was so amazing that they were printing money day after day, why on earth would they need to sell it to you for $50 a month? They wouldn't. So here's the game they play. On the one hand, they claim these guaranteed, risk-free profits. But the reality? They're showing you trades from a demo account. They only post the wins, and they hide every single loss. And here's the worst part. A lot of them get paid by brokers when you sign up and lose. So they literally make money when you blow up your account. They actually need you to lose.
So that money you lost, I really want you to let this sink in. It wasn't just because you made a mistake. It's because you were playing a rigged game from the very beginning. It was never a fair fight.
So let's change the definition of winning. From now on, winning isn't about money. Winning is about knowledge. Let's talk about how you can move forward from this point with actual power and real control over your destiny. Remember that fear we talked about? That's your new superpower. Seriously. It means you're skeptical. It means you don't fall for the hype anymore. You're careful. You're aware. And believe it or not, that painful lesson has just launched you light years ahead of most beginners who are still out there chasing those ridiculous promises. So here is your new unbreakable law. The second anyone guarantees you profit, you walk away. Instantly. I don't care if it's on YouTube, in a Telegram group, or even from a friend who swears they found a sure thing. The answer is always no.
Because from this moment on, everything is different. This isn't just you trying again. This is a complete reboot, a whole new game.
You are no longer in the business of desperately chasing fast money.
That mindset is what got you into trouble, and we are leaving it in the past for good.
Your new mission is incredibly pure and simple. You are here to understand the market. That's it. You're a student now. You're here to learn its language, its patterns, its psychology. No pressure, no rush, and absolutely no risk.
And this is the most important idea I can possibly give you. You don't need to win fast. You need to learn first, because winning is just a side effect of truly understanding what you're doing. So as you start this new journey, just keep these 3 things in your head. Stay focused on that one asset. Stay patient with yourself and the learning process. And above all else, stay in control of your decisions and your emotions.
This is where you take back the controls. The old way is over. The new path is all about education. So my question for you is this. Now that the pressure to win is gone, what's the very first thing you're curious about? What's the first thing you're gonna learn? Your real journey starts right now.